it's me, Claudia. So the first thing is to tie up my hair, and after I'm starting to use the Essential BB Cream by Nivea, and I'm going to apply it with this beauty blender. This foundation is perfect because it's really light on your skin and it has SPF, so it's perfect for summer. After I'm going to use this It Style Irresistible Powder, and it's translucent, so it's perfect for every season basically, and I'm going to apply it with this blending brush. After I'm going to remove all the residues of the foundation and on my lips and on my eyebrows, so my lips will be hydrated. And after I'm going to apply the Bello Cherry Shine Lip Balm, so again my lips will be hydrated during my makeup. After we pass into the eyes, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and at first I'm going to use Foxy, and second I'm going to use Half Baked to give like this sun-kissed look, and I'm going to blend it all, and I'm going to pass 2 times so it will be perfect. With this point brush I'm going to apply it on my bottom lashes, and with Snake Bite I'm going to give more definition to the eye, making like kind of eyeliner look. After I'm going to use again Half Baked, so I'm going to add more shiny look to the eyes, and it will be more like goldish. After I'm going to choose Foxy, and I'm going to give more definition to my under my eyebrows, so it will be more cleaner this look. And after I'm going to remove all the residues of the eyeshadows. After I'm going to curl my eyelashes on both sides, of course. And after I'm going to apply the Kiko Makeup Milano Extra Sculpt Waterproof Mascara. And this mascara, it's amazing. It makes my eyelashes really big. To apply it also on my bottom lashes. After I'm using this ColourPop Carry On bronzer, and I'm going to apply it with this pen brush, and I'm making this fish face, so it's really easier to know where to apply it. So it's a little tip this, and I'm going to apply to under the cheekbones and on my temples, on my jawline, and on my nose. After I'm going to use this eyeliner also by ColourPop, and this is called Fanny Pack. I really love this eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it with 2 fingers. I prefer to pull it with fingers, I don't know why, but I prefer it to a brush. And I'm going to apply it on my nose and all over my face. After I'm going to use this like peachy blush, and I'm going to apply with this blush. Instead of a lipstick, I'm going to apply it again, this lip balm from Bello, the Cherry Shine one, and this is the look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it's like this, please subscribe, put a like, and I don't know, comment, and follow me on my social media. I'm claudiaswave on Instagram and Twitter, and you can find also them on the description. So remember to smile every day of your life, and we'll see you to the next video. Bye!